Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to share a heartfelt story about the power of du'a and the blessings of Allah. Meet Sarah, a young girl with a big dream. Sarah's story. I've always dreamed of performing Hajj, but my family couldn't afford it. So, I started making du'a to Allah, asking Him to write my name among those who are fortunate enough to go. Life was tough, but I didn't give up. I worked hard, helped my family, and continued making du'a, trusting in Allah's plan. One day I received a call from a distant relative offering to sponsor my Hajj trip. I was overjoyed knowing that Allah had answered my du'a. The experience was life-changing. I felt Allah's presence and my heart was filled with gratitude and peace. Now I want to share this blessing with others. Remember, never give up on your du'as. Allah is always listening and He will write your name among those who are fortunate, just like He did mine.
May Allah accept our du'as and bless us all with the opportunity to perform Hajj. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories. This story showcases the power of du'a, trust, and perseverance, highlighting how Allah can turn seemingly impossible dreams into reality.